Ducks Unlimited, I get questions all the time. What can I grow to attract ducks to my duck hole? Keep in mind that most migrating and wintering ducks are moving and they have a pretty high energy demand, and that energy is met through a high carbohydrate diet. So they're going to be looking for seeds, and if you're planting, that means you're planting some kind of grain. Typically, most people will plant corn, sometimes millet. A few landowners that are in the right latitude sometimes will plant rice. Those will probably be the big three. Grain sorghum or milo is another one that sometimes people will plant to attract waterfowl. All of those work well. A good thing to keep in mind is the ducks don't exist only on a carbohydrate diet alone. They do have some protein requirements that occur throughout migration in winter at a lower level. Some of that they can get from natural vegetation, seeds, those sorts of things. Some of it they get from invertebrates. So as you manage a wetland, if you plant crops in it to attract waterfowl, maybe think about spreading the row width out a bit, and what will happen is the sun will hit the ground between the rows and it'll grow up in weeds. Now don't let that bother you, because that's a good thing for attracting ducks. If you want to attract birds, meet their dietary and nutritional requirements, high carbohydrate with some protein thrown in, that will meet all of their dietary requirements right in your wetland and help them get through the winter and attract them for hunting.